Hello and welcome to the module on the processing of rubber. What exactly do we understand by the term rubber? Rubber is a non-metallic organic material that is tough and elastic. That means a material that stretches easily. Let's look at the various types of rubber available. There are basically two types of rubber. These are natural rubber and synthetic rubber. Natural rubber. This is made from a milky liquid that is obtained from the stem of rubber trees. This liquid substance is called latex. Synthetic rubber. The synthetic rubber is made from different organic materials derived from petroleum. It serves as a substitute for natural rubber. And this brings us to the properties of rubber. Rubber is elastic, that is, it stretches easily, unlike plastics and ceramics. 2. Rubber can float in water. 3. It does not conduct heat and electricity. That is, it is a good insulator. 4. It absorbs shock. And 5. It does not allow water to pass through it easily. That means it is impermeable. 6. It does not wear away easily. Now we are going to look at how rubber can be processed from the raw material latex. The processing of rubber begins with the tapping of the liquid latex from the rubber trees. That means the first process involved in turning rubber into a finished product is tapping. The liquid latex obtained is then poured from the collecting buckets into tanks. After this, they need to be sieved so we can remove the dirt. When the sieving is done, acid is thereafter added to coagulate the liquid latex. The coagulated crude rubber is fed into rollers to squeeze out the water, thereby forming a sheet of crude rubber. These sheets are dried with hot smoke in order to kill the mold and bacteria that could make it rot. The properties of rubber can be improved by a process known as vulcanization. Vulcanization is done by heating a mixture of the rubber, fine carbon, that is carbon black, and sulfur to a high temperature. The essence of this is to make the rubber product stronger. Rubber products are formed from exactly the same methods used in processing plastics such as extrusion, calendering, etc. However, other products like toys, rubber globes, and balloons can be formed by a process known as dipping. Dipping is a process of making rubber products from the liquid latex. The mold is dipped into the tanks of the latex. Having said that, let us look at some of the uses of rubber. Some of the articles commonly made of rubber are catapults, rubber bands, tires, tubes, bladders, water hoses, soles of shoes, hand gloves, rubber sandals, insulators for electric wires, rain boots, car bumpers, eraser, foam, shock absorber, foot mats, machine belts, waistbands, slippers, etc. Having looked at the uses of rubber, this brings us to the end of the lesson on the module Processing of Rubber, and I believe I've gained a lot of knowledge from the module. I'll see you again in the next module. Have a nice day.